Okay, see if we can get a picture for this guy. Get a flashlight, there we go. All right, there's our belt. I think you're talking about this spring right here. I've got a chain. See, there's a chain that runs from the back of the spring, goes to that bolt right there. I'll go around the front here. Get a better picture, better idea what's going on. Of course, it bolts to this, the deck itself bolts to these front framework right here. And there's our spring, and as you can see, it goes back to that bolt. And it goes to this pivot, and that pivot goes to that, which when you release it, it'll put tension on the belt by allowing these wheels to go down. Let's see, what else would you want to know? How it bolts to the frame above. It's fairly simple. Here, I'll go around this side. There's a bolt that mounts that framework that has the spring. And of course, the whole thing bolts to the deck right there on either side with those two bolts. And there are multiple holes right there, and those two bolts hold it. It's fairly simple. I'll just go around and take some more video so you can get an idea. Maybe eliminate any questions you have with yours. But yeah, that's fairly simple mounting. I don't know how much this has been modified. This is a 1970, and you said you have a 74. I imagine it's pretty much the same. I'll go around the other side so you can kind of see. There's the bolts that mount the deck to the frame. And the frame just sits here. You can see this right here, right there, that vertical that just slides within that frame, and the whole thing basically pivots right there on the front, and then a chain goes up to the bottom of the tractor and has a pivot right here that's connected to your handle. So when you move your handle up and down, it will move that chain up and down so you can adjust the height. I have a 81-inch belt on it. These belts are undersized, so I can't go really super fast mowing the lawn because it slips. But yeah, that's basically how this thing mounts up. It's, like I said, it's pretty simple. There's only a couple bolts holding the whole thing on. There's not very much. Hope that helps. Wrap around the house. Thanks for watching.